Real CPR Help, and See-Thru CPR. For adult patients, the one-step complete and CPR electrodes include a CPR sensor. The CPR sensor monitors the rate and depth of chest compressions and sends this information to the R-Series. You should always use a backboard or CPR mattress when administering CPR. For adult patients, real-time feedback displayed on the CPR dashboard includes compression depth indicator, compression rate indicator, release bar, perfusion performance indicator, PPI, audio and messaging prompts, and idle timer. The CPR dashboard on the R-Series defibrillator provides you with a digital reading of each and every chest compression. If your compression depth or rate falls outside of guidelines, the numerical value of rate and/or depth will turn red on the CPR dashboard. The R-Series defibrillator will also provide an audible message,
push harder,
and a metronome will beep to help you reach 100 compressions per minute. This real-time feedback can help ensure you are doing high-quality chest compressions. The release bar measures release velocity to determine that rescuers are allowing sufficient time for cardiac filling. The bar should be completely full of color. If the color begins to decrease, make certain the rescuer is coming completely off the chest for full recoil. The perfusion performance indicator integrates compression depth, rate, and interruption times into one visual indicator. Maintaining maximum value, full indicator, provides visual indication of performance to the current guidelines. When compressions have been interrupted for an extended period of time, idle time is displayed in minutes and seconds. This is a visual reminder to help minimize pause time. The See-Thru CPR feature of the R-Series filters compression artifact from the ECG waveform. This results in a filtered ECG waveform labeled as FIL. This allows you to view underlying rhythms without the need to interrupt compressions. However, it is not intended to replace assessment, and it does not work in the advisory mode. CPR compressions should be paused when assessing the ECG for a shock or no shock decision. If an apparent ventricular fibrillation rhythm is seen while using See-Thru CPR, ALS providers should charge the device while continuing compressions. Once the device is fully charged, pause compressions and confirm ventricular fibrillation in the unfiltered ECG waveform, then press shock. For pediatric patients less than 8 years of age and less than 55 pounds, 25 kilograms, one-step pediatric electrodes with and without CPR can be used to maximize the R-Series pediatric capabilities. When connected, the R-Series defibrillator will automatically lower the energy level to 50 joules, adjust its AED analysis algorithm to pediatric parameters, display compression rate and depth on the CPR dashboard, and filter compression artifact from the ECG waveform.